So next, we go to Sharepoint. Sharepoint. What I can say is a place to share something. It's like what I can say. The function same like OneDrive, but OneDrive is more on the personal side. But the SharePoint is for I can see the department. Okay, because SharePoint is actually quite big, as you can see. With the SharePoint, you can have a document library for this SharePoint. Okay, let's say, but this one actually quite technical. Okay, from SharePoint also you can create a website, your own website. Okay, let's say the teacher want to create portfolio in the SharePoint like a website interface. You can use this function. Okay, you can give a site name. This one, but if you want to go to deeper, it will take time. But on the SharePoint, what I can see is for the department, sharing department for folder. Okay, like this one. You can see, let's say we have a HR department. So our HR department already have a SharePoint site. So inside this one, I can see the news here, news for HR. So I can get the document library from HR. So I can see, let's say from the document you already manage that file that can your staff HR have a file that your end user can download for some resources and material. You can use this function SharePoint. Okay, so you can create this one, but if I explain on this side, it will take time because SharePoint is actually big. I just explain roughly. Okay, it can it's function like OneDrive, but more on the documentation side lah. Okay, but if you guys have a time to explore SharePoint, actually from the SharePoint you can create your own website internally. Okay, you can have your, let's say for your student to refer your website, so you can have use this SharePoint.